to see how our small HVAC company has impacted the environment over the last 15 years. You see, every time we use electricity, power plants burn fossil fuels, releasing CO2 into the atmosphere. CO2 is a primary driver for climate change. A study in 2009 showed that heating and cooling accounts for 47% of your home's energy usage. That's about 6,580 kilowatt hours every single year. That's like leaving a light bulb on for 12 years. You see, an HVAC system over 10 years old wastes about 20 to 40% more energy. And as for a dirty, unmaintained system, that's 15% more energy wasted every single month. Over the last 15 years, Vogel has installed 4,500 new high-efficiency systems. Also in that time, we've done maintenance on 45,000 systems. After doing some quick calculations, we found out that we saved about 65,142,000 kilowatt hours? That's enough electricity to power Kirkwood for an entire year, or to plant 1.1 million trees to absorb CO2 for an entire year. But we can't take all the credit. It's the amazing homeowners of St. Louis that we've worked with over the last 15 years to install these eco-friendly systems. Vogel thanks these homeowners for the impact we've had over the last 15 years. Together, let's continue to make St. Louis greener.